Morning people, it is Sunday morning on the 11th of April. Woke up early and it's snowing. Great, eh? I don't know if you can see it because that's through the skylight, which is mega wet. Yep, snow. But we're heading to Burnham on Sea. That's our first destination. So, gonna get ready and then we'll be on our merry way. Right then, so I'm gonna go. Bye. Finally on our way. Later than we wanted. He hasn't changed the clock. It's 8:25 AM. And we are heading towards Spaghetti Junction. Nookie's all honest. If you can see him. Hello puppy. Yep. On our way, escaping Birmingham. Woohoo! What do you say, Karl?
Great, I can't wait. Bloody crap hole.
Right, catch you later. Bye. Weather's picking up. Just going past the Malvern Hills, but unfortunately you can't bloody see it, which is a shame because they're covered in snow. Well, not covered, but the tops are covered. Yeah, looks really nice. We are now at Burnham on Sea, ain't we?
We are.
We got a parking ticket.
We did.
And it was what?
£3.20 for 4 hours.
Yeah. We're not staying here the night. We weren't going to anyway. And the gypsies are here, parked up on the grass.
Making a mess.
Well, we've had them here before, but they were fine. Right, it's a lovely sunny day. Couple of other motorhomes and vans here. We won't really show you around here much because we've done a video previously back in December, so if you want to have a look and see the church of St Andrews and that, go back to that video. It's only 10 minutes long. Right, anyway, so this is Burnham on Sea. This is a promenade. Church is down there, probably just see it in the distance. Pier's down there. And there's a little lighthouse, like a little wooden lighthouse down there. See if I can get it. Right. This is the end, away from the promenade, past the little boatyard. Never been down this end before. It looks like a big long coastal path. It's a glorious day. Oh, nut job.
Okay.
Right. Look. Oi. Right, so we are currently at Apex Park. That's the campsite. They're obviously getting ready for tomorrow. Yeah, we drove past here plenty of times when we've come in. Didn't realise if you walk, when you get, as I said, when you're along the promenade and you get to the bottom, there's like a turning circle. But if you're on foot and you carry on, there's like a coastal footpath, and then there's a bench, and then there's a little turn off to the left, and it brings you into here, into Apex Park. Right, anyway, so we'll leave Burnham on Sea there. It is nice. More off the beaten track. away from the promenade and everybody being there. So yeah, so Apex Park, Burnham on Sea, and we'll see you at the next place. Bye. Shame about all the noisy people, but there you go. This is our park up for the night. The car park, yeah. What did you say? What it look like?
Looks like the moon surface.
Yeah, looks like the moon, but I'll show you when we get out there.
It's either the moon or training ground for the artillery bombardments.
Yeah, show you when we get out there anyway, and I'll show you what we've come to see, and hopefully we'll get a really nice sunset and a really nice sunrise. That's the car park. Pothole Central.
Yeah.
And that is what we've come to see. Yeah, we're hoping there's a proper path up to there, but I reckon we're just going to have to go for it and walk up the hill.
I can do it.
Yes, and I'd also like to thank Mavic MTA for putting this on YouTube, this spot, because I just thought it looked lovely and I saved it. Whose idea? Oh, lovely views though. Right, woo! Just so I know. The view's halfway up.
Nippy, pointing glory up.
Bloody hell, I'm dead. Right. Mr. B's leaving me. Mr. B to the rescue.